The date is September 28, 29, one of those, of 2025. It's time to mow. I don't like mowing. But the whip hasn't done it. So it's up to me. So yeah, just doing the front today. Not going to show you the mowing and all that because it's boring. But I got to mow. The thing is, I haven't started the mower or the weed whacker for that matter in about 5 weeks. The last time I started them was right before Jordan Yu and Kevin were over. And I haven't mowed since. It shows. I'm just doing a kind of quick job. Nothing special, nothing fancy, just have to get it done. And that's that. So we're going to see how these things start up after 5 weeks. Probably fine, but you never know. Should be plenty of fuel. Can't see it in the tall grass, but it should be alright. I think I filled it up last time, so... The primer says 10 times on the unit and more than 10 times in the book. So I've been doing 12 and that seems to be doing the trick. It usually starts on 6 poles, sometimes 7. Everything's ready to go, so here we go. A 6-pole wonder! He seems to be idling just fine, so I'll get started, do my thing, and we'll come back with the mower. I thought I filled this thing up, but I forgot that I burned that tank, so you get a bonus. I'm going to refuel the stupid thing. Hate doing this late in the season, but it's got to get done and all that. It's got the stupid push thing. And then it goes slow. I'll give it about a half tank. I'm not going to burn all that, but I'll leave the fuel in it, so it'll be hard to start next year. We'll call that a half tank. Probably not, but we're going to call it that anyway. Let's see. Maybe a bit more than that. Okay, close enough. So we're going to leave everything as it were. The only thing I'm going to do is prime the carbonator a couple times, just till it feels right. Because it started, it was running, and it was a little choppy, but it was okay. And I got into it for just a little bit, did kind of one line down and half of another, and she stalled. So you need fuel. I think we'll try that. I don't want to go any more. Might take a couple, might start right up. Yeah, we're good now. Well, the weed whacker did quite well. Didn't have any engine trouble at all. For some reason, the strap fell off twice. I have no idea why. Just the way I was holding it, or the length of it, or something. It's all there the way it's supposed to be. Go figure. I don't know. But that's okay, because, you know, still holding on to it. That did well. Toward the end, I was having trouble with the string. Only one side was standing, and, you know, when you hit it on the ground. So I tried rewinding what was there, so I learned an important lesson. Don't bother. unless you just put it on and it's totally screwed up, just cut yourself a new piece. It's cheap enough, and man, it was so much easier just doing it all fresh. Yeah, it's a little long on one side. That's okay. It'll break itself off next time, but the good news is it's ready to go for next time. I'm prepared to weed whack that I don't want to do. Okay, good. Now let's see about the mower. First and most important thing, safety third. Disable the engine brake and engine stop mechanism. There we go. All right, Earl, you know, it's been a little questionable. That sticker's starting to come up. That's nice. Right? It's not supposed to happen. It's good. Just did that, you know. Earl, so we're kind of, it's there. I'd say we're pretty good for the season. But next year I might consider putting a little Earl in her, because it's kind of at the sort of lowish mark. Yeah, it's kind of down. I'm getting a little scared. Let me put a little, see if I got a little Earl for her. We'll run the old standby SAE 40. I don't know if that's the right stuff, but that's what it's getting. Because that's what's handy. I kept it out for a reason. So we'll just give her a tickle of that. Grass not included. Let's see what that does. Probably nothing, but you know, that might just be enough. It was just a tad lower than I would have liked, you know. Okay. Yeah, so it's all over the stick now. So that means it's way over full. Perfect. Perfect. All right. We'll make believe that's good. Gasolina. Gasoline will be free. Gasolina will be free. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It needs some gasoline. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to fuel it some to that way not have to run out and go through this again. I'm going to leave fuel in it this year at the end of the season. I think we got probably 1 or 2 more mows after this. I got to do the back eventually. So we'll give her like a half tank. Maybe more than that, actually. I don't have the vent open. That would only make sense. So it's a slow pour. Okay, I'm definitely satisfied with that. All right, so after 5 weeks, and all the trouble that I had getting this started this spring, I can't get the gas cap on. There. It fits weird. All right. So I think we're good. We'll check, make sure you're in frame. I think so. Engine brake has already been disabled, of course. Roll her slow. Get a little compression in her. Still don't like that click, but it always engages. Nice! A one-pull wonder. The mower ran with perfection. It was absolutely flawless. Yep, no trouble at all. Just mowed and mowed and mowed. Moaned and moaned and moaned about the tall grass. But it didn't stall, it just coughed every now and again. You know, take too big of a mouthful of something, you know what I mean? That was really it. Otherwise, it just went and did just fine. But, boy, all that hard work. I need a blowjob. God. No, no, Neil, not that kind. This kind. With a blower. And it's a job. Fucking moron. Okay, we're going to leave off right there. I have another video coming up, which is going to be called A Stern Talk about cordless leaf blowers. There's going to be a link to it in the description, so make sure you watch out for that. In the meantime, make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, ring the bell for Arbleys. I appreciate you all very much. Thanks once again, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.